Hello, champs. Welcome to our amazing platform where learning meets fun. Yes, our channel Learn for You, where we will have fun, learn, and enjoy. So get ready to embark on an amazing journey of Scratch. I am Anshika, your study buddy who will take you onto an exciting journey. So, are you guys ready? Let's go. But beforehand, let me ask you a question. Do you guys watch cartoons? We all love to watch cartoons, right? We all have seen various cartoons in our childhood days. Can you guess some interesting characters which are so famous? Okay, let me do it. Doraemon? Not if Doraemon than Pikachu? Shin-chan? Motu Patlu ki jodi? Okay, these are the characters we know. But what about this? Do you know what character is it? Have you ever seen it before? It is looking like a cat, but the main thing is we can control this character. Looks surprising now, but it is correct. See, we can make it fly, make it bang tan, play games with it, and we can make it run as well. So it is okay, but what we are going to call it? What is its name? This character is now going to be known as Scratchy, and it will be an important character of a Scratch journey. So now let's dive in the world of Scratch. But before moving on to Scratch, we should be aware of some terms, like some basic terms which are quite very important. So the very first question that arises in our mind is, what is Scratch programming? Because if we are learning it, so we should be clear that what we are going to learn in it. Okay, but answer me the one question, do you guys play online games? We actually all play, and some of the interesting games like Subway Surfers, Temple Run, BGMI. It is okay to play the games, but imagine if you can make these own games and you can control your own characters. Isn't it interesting? So, do you think is it possible? The question is, can you make your own games, stories, and animations? Because if you can do this, you can control your own characters, which you cannot do in the predefined games. So, the answer is yes. Yes, you can just make your own beautiful games, quite interesting characters, and you can control them. But how we are going to do this? We will do all of these things with the help of Scratch. Yes, and as we have seen earlier, the Scratchy will take us onto the Scratch journey. So now let's answer our question that what is basically Scratch programming. So if we talk about Scratch programming, it is nothing much complicated. It is just a block-based visual programming language with the help of which we can easily create our interesting and interactive stories, games, and animations. Why is it block-based? Because here you need not to code. Here you will have an option of drag and drop. But now let's first understand that what is programming, because before understanding Scratch programming, we should be knowing that what is programming basically. Okay, so if I say in simple terms, then programming is like when you tell a computer how to play your favorite game or favorite music or anything. It is just like simple steps to make our characters move and talk. The way we are interacting with computers is through programming, because computers cannot understand us directly. So now let's imagine that we have a superpower, and here is a robot friend. But this robot friend doesn't understand human language, although it can do anything, but the main thing is it doesn't understand human language. So if it doesn't understand human language, how are we going to communicate with it? So here comes that we need to teach our robot. It's like in our childhood days, our parents, when we were not aware of anything, they guided us. They told us in small steps how we have to do things. In similar way, now we are going to teach our robot like some small steps: walk to the fridge, open the door, take out soda, and more. But as we said, it is not understanding human language, so we need to use a special language. What this special language is going to be? This special language is going to be known as code. So code is like a recipe or a set of instructions which our computer follows and then gives us output. So now I hope you have understand what is programming. So let's take an example that we have to make a sandwich and now we need a program for it. So how are we going to instruct our computer? We'll just instruct in small steps like take 2 slices of bread, then whatever you like peanut butter, or spread jelly on the other slice, and then we have to put those slices together. Here is our sandwich ready, and now you can eat it. Obviously I am not going to eat it, but it is an example. So this is now how programming helps to communicate with computers, and it makes our work quite very easy. So in upcoming videos and in many other things, we are going to see how we can create these game stories as such shown in the picture and the video playing. The Scratchy is flying and there it is an interactive story. Now what do you think Scratchy is here for? It is here to say you bye bye. So now it's the time. We'll meet in our next video where we will be understanding more and more about Scratch. So keep connected and we are going to meet you in our next video. Bye.